We have a Volkswagen Beetle. The new Beetle is an 03, so it'll apply to anything between like 98 to 05, I believe. So I couldn't find any freaking videos, so I just went out and figured it out myself. The way this goes, there's two plastic, of course plastic, because everything on this freaking car is plastic. There's this one I already took it off, it's right there. There's a little plastic tab, again plastic, that's right on top. You pop that off, and there's a, I want to say let's see what this is, T20 Torx. Screw right under there. Take that out on both sides. The other one's on top of that plastic. I took it out. And all you do once you get that screw out, pull it out. Sorry about the window, it's just fucking hot out here. So once you get those off, the rail will just slide right out once you get the front bolt out. So let me get to that. Alright, so in the front, you want to make sure the seat's all the way back. Up here, I already took them off. There's two 13mm bolts, one here and one here. Take those off and watch this. Alright, it's a bit not tricky, but it takes a little force. So what you do, once you get those two bolts out, you hold the lever so you can slide back. It's kind of like a hammering motion. You just go from, you scooch it forward and slam it back until it gets past those nuts. Once it gets past it, it'll just slide out of the rail. Your chair's out. Now once you got to that point, get it in a leaning position. Mine was actually zip tied here to this bracket, which is dumb as fuck, but whatever. So I cut the zip tie, and make sure you disconnect all these. Make sure you disconnect the battery before you mess with the airbag one, because these seats have airbags. So disconnect the airbag, and the battery first, then that. I already did that. And all these little tabs holding it on. You get a screwdriver, put it right behind there, and it should pop right out. So you do need two hands to do that, so I got all these cutscenes, but might have been wrong. This might be the airbag, I'm not too sure. When I see yellow plugs like that, I just assume they're airbags, but this one has this locking mechanism, so that's probably the airbag. But just make sure you disconnect the battery, and then the seat should come right out. And once the seat comes out, this is how it looks. You have the three connectors. So this is what's actually supposed to hold the whole loom onto it, but of course it's plastic, it's broke. And the rails, they're welded on, so those don't come out. Yeah, that's all that holds it. It's really these two screws that don't let the wheels from rolling off, and the little plastic that's over it too. So that's basically it. It's really simple. And I'll be making a video on how to fix the seat belt. As you can tell, this one's snapped right there, which I was like, wow, whatever, I can fix it on the car. But then I looked into it some more, and this one right here, somehow it caught somewhere and slid two of the wires in here, so I'll be repairing that. Stay tuned. There's a better look at that. It's completely split, and it wants to split the third one right there too. So we have a problem here. It's split. Right in there. It's just out of. I already started taking the plastic wrap off the wire so I could solder it, but that didn't work because I found out this was bad, so that was useless. Another thing, the whole mount It's missing the plastic. Again, plastic. Should I say German engineering plastic? It goes in there. So yeah, that's another thing I need to buy. So that's how we're gonna fix this. Should be pretty easy. I'll first continuity test it from here to the plug. So this one's actually the seatbelt plug, and this is the airbag plug. So that was wrong. So yeah, let's see what we can do here. I'll just hook up to each prong and see where it connects to. If none of them work, then we have to break in the wire between those 2 points as well.